Hello, and welcome to the Effects of Nicotine Use PowerPoint presentation. My name is Ms. Condre, and I am from Chestnut Health Systems Prevention Team, and I will be narrating this PowerPoint presentation for you today. So let's get started. What is tobacco? Tobacco is a drug that contains a highly addictive chemical called nicotine. Tobacco products also contain thousands of carcinogens, including toxic metals, chemicals, and poisonous gases. And if you're wondering what a carcinogen is, that is something that is cancer causing. It is known to cause cancer. What is nicotine? Nicotine is a highly addictive chemical in all tobacco products. No matter how tobacco products are packaged or used, they all contain nicotine. So nowadays you will see a lot, like we will talk later on about the vaping products. There is high amounts of nicotine in the vaping products. Types of tobacco. Tobacco products fall into three categories. Smoked tobacco, which contains cigarettes, cigars, and pipe tobacco. Smokeless tobacco, like dip and chew tobacco. And then electronic nicotine delivery systems. You may have never heard of this before. This category basically means electric cigarettes, vape pens, and hookah pens. So all of those electrical vape products you may see out and about. So what tobacco category fits the description of the fact? So we are going to do some examples. We'll start off with this fact first. Arsenic, the poisonous carcinogen typically used in rat poison, is found in these tobacco products. So go ahead and start thinking of what categories of tobacco you think arsenic is found. Do you think arsenic is found in smoked tobacco products? Do you think arsenic is found in smokeless tobacco products? Or do you think it's found electronic nicotine delivery system products? Or is it all of them? What do you think arsenic is in? Well, the answer is all of these categories. In all of these products, arsenic, the poisonous carcinogen typically used in rat poison, is found in all of these categories. Great job. All right, so let's try this again with another fact. The heating or burning of these tobacco products produces high levels of carbon monoxide and other cancer-causing chemicals. What categories would that belong to? Would it belong to smoked, smokeless, electronic nicotine delivery system? What do you think? Well, the answer is smoked tobacco and electronic nicotine delivery system. Those are the two categories that the heating or burning of these tobacco products produce high levels of carbon monoxide and other cancer-causing chemicals. Very good. All right, let's try another fact. Use of these tobacco products is not allowed in most public spaces because of the effects it has on the people around the user. Go ahead and start thinking, what category does this belong in? And the answer is smoked tobacco and electronic nicotine delivery system. both of those products are not allowed in most public spaces because of the effects they have on the people around them. All right, let's try one last fact. This type of tobacco product is often promoted as a remedy to quit smoking, but is not an FDA-approved remedy for quitting a nicotine addiction. All right, so what category does that belong in? And the answer is electronic nicotine delivery system. So those products were promoted first as a remedy to quit smoking, but the government, the FDA, did not approve them for a remedy for quitting a nicotine addiction. All right. What is vaping? Vaping is the act of inhaling and exhaling the aerosol, often referred to as a vapor, produced by an e-cigarette or an electronic cigarette. Here are some examples of what is found in the vapor. What is aerosol? An aerosol is a mixture of liquid particles suspended in gas and can contain many chemicals. So, instead of just mixing with the air, aerosols can leave drops behind. So this is what we were talking about earlier when it is not safe for the people around you. It is not safe. Vape products. The Juul is a popular vape product that is small enough to be hidden and produces very little vapor when exhaled. The Juul comes with Juul pods that contain the nicotine and a flavor. One Juul pod equals one whole pack of cigarettes. And as you can see in the picture at the bottom of the slide, that is a big difference. There is a lot of nicotine in those small Juul pods. Media spin. Images of nicotine use in the media can influence people's perceptions of how much it is really used. Media images promote the perception that nicotine use leads to popularity, peer acceptance, and a positive self-image. But we all know the media is not a reality. So do not let the media sway you into thinking nicotine makes you look cool. Use your peer pressure refusal skills and say no to nicotine use. I would like to thank you everyone for listening to this PowerPoint presentation today. I would also like to thank the sources of the Too Good for Drugs Mendez Foundation and Chestnut Health Systems for creating this PowerPoint presentation today. The next 3 slides contain review questions for the grade you are currently in, so be sure to check those out. Thank you guys and have a great day.